Hey there. Are you tired of sending plain and boring text messages on WhatsApp? Well, we've got good news for you. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to write messages in bold on WhatsApp. It's super easy, and you can do it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Firstly, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. If you don't have it installed already, head over to your App Store and download it. Step 2. Go to the chat you want to send a message to navigate to the chat where you want to send the bold message. It can be a group chat or a personal chat. Step 3. Type in your message. Type in the message you want to send as you normally would. Step 4. Insert the asterisk symbol. To make your text bold, insert the asterisk symbol, asterisk, before and after the text you want to make bold. For example, if you want to make the word example bold, type it like this. Example. Step 5. Send the message. As soon as you insert the asterisk symbols, WhatsApp will recognize it as a bold font and modify the text accordingly. Now you can send the message as you normally would. Pro tip. You can also use this feature to add emphasis to your text or to indicate shouting. Conclusion. Writing messages in bold on WhatsApp is a simple feature that can make your messages stand out. With just a few easy steps, you can add emphasis to your text and make your messages more noticeable. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.